What happens if America's F-35 meets China's newest stealth fighter in the sky? Which jet would win? Let's find out. The F-35 Lightning II is one of the world's most advanced fifth-generation fighters. It was designed for stealth, intelligence gathering, and network warfare. China's stealth fighter, the J-20 Mighty Dragon, is larger, faster, and built mainly for long-range missions and air superiority. The F-35 has an advantage in sensor fusion. Its pilot receives information from multiple sensors on one screen, creating unmatched battlefield awareness. The J-20, however, carries powerful long-range missiles and has a larger combat radius, allowing it to strike targets from farther distances. In close-range combat, experts believe the F-35's advanced electronics and networking systems could provide an edge, but in long-range engagements, the J-20's size, speed, and missile capability make it a dangerous opponent. So, who wins? The truth is, there is no clear answer. The winner would depend on the mission, the pilot, and the battlefield itself. Which fighter would you choose, the F-35 or the J-20? Comment below.